Hazrat Amir al-Mominin Khalifa Tal Masih al-Khamis Aida Allah says, the qualities that should be in a human being, especially the qualities that a man should possess. This is what can create a clean society, whom Hazrat Khadija Razi Allah Anha mentioned in the context of the creation of the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. That reward of mercy and kindness, consideration of relatives, consideration of their needs, effort to relieve their sufferings. Now mercy is a very broad word. The wife's relatives also have the same rights as the husband's relatives. Kindness is as important to them as it is to ourselves. If this habit is created and these patterns of kindness are established on both sides, then can there ever be a repetition in this house? Can there be a fight? Never. Because often quarrels are caused by this. That there was a little talk or any resentment arose from the parents. Either someone's mother or someone's father said something. That I won't talk to your mother, I won't talk to your father, I will not talk to your brother, then accusations that they are like this. And if they are, these quick grudges on small things, then this becomes the basis of big quarrels. So, how much the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, used to treat his wives' relatives and their friends well. Here is one of many examples. The narrator has written that as soon as the voice of Hazrat Khadija's sister Hala reached his ears, the Prophet, may God bless him and grant him peace, used to stand up and welcome her. And it was his rule that whenever an animal was slaughtered in the house, he used to insist that its meat be sent to the friends of Hazrat Khadija. Sahih Muslim Kitab al-Fazail, Chapter Min Fazail Khadija. But let me give a little explanation here in its interpretation. There are some things that need to be explained, because women and men have started to mix up more in the society. No one should take this to mean that women have been allowed to sit in assemblies, and wives have also been allowed to sit with their friends. Taking care is something else entirely, and making friends with the wife's friends is quite another. This creates many problems. There are many incidents where the wife is left alone, and the one who is a friend gets the position of a wife. The man then settles his world, but that poor first wife continues to cry. And this act is absolute cruelty, and this kind of permission is not given by Islam. They say that we are allowed to get married. Here we should be especially careful in these societies. Understand your responsibilities. Also take care of the wife who has spent a long time with you in hardship. If the situation has improved after reaching here today, scold him. It is not justice in any way.